Hi guys, to receive this Hasinart Ergonomic Mousepad with raised massage design, which is really nice for event purposes. As you can see, it has this massage design in this part, so you can rest your wrist in there and it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It has perfect design because it likes a water shape massage design, which is nice. It's memory foam, so it gets back up and adjusts to the pressure that you put on. And it has, well, I'm gonna take this plastic off. It's a non-lip design, so it won't move when you put it on. You can obviously take it up, change it, but when it's on, it won't slip in anything, so you can set it how you want it in your desk, as you can see, and work perfectly while being massaged with this part, which is really nice. The memory foam works perfectly when you're working. You know, sometimes it's better to get a good rest in your hand because it might get, well, tired or anything. So it's nice, and it's a really nice design, like some flowers. I like it a lot. It's really nice. See ya.